Hey, welcome to the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to set player-to-player collisions to false. You might not know what that means. It practically means that you're going to be able to walk through every single person in your game, and you're not going to be able to hit each other. So, I'm just going to hop right into this, and I'm going to insert a script into my server script service. Boom, and I'm going to get started. Okay, so local physics service equals game get service physics service. And next we're going to get our collision group. So player group equals physics service colon create collision group player group. So player group is going to be the name of our collision group that we are creating here. And with our collision group, we're going to also once again use our physics service collision group set collidable. And we're going to use this collision group once again. So player group, and false. Basically what this statement means here is that anything in the player group is going to be able to not collide with anything in the player group, and this false means that they're not going to be collidable. So basically here means anything I'm putting in the player group, collision group, is not going to be hitting each other. So next we create our function, local function, no collide, and I'm going to just be using this function in an event, which I think it'll be just easier for this process. So for I be in pairs, character get children. If a v is a base part, then I want to insert it into our collision group. So set part collision group v, which is our child, into our collision group named player group. And yep. And now that we have our function and we have everything in our player group that's in there is going to collide with not going to collide with each other, my bad. Let's connect it. Game.players.player added, connect function, player player.character added, connect function, character in the parentheses, and we're going to use no collide, character in the parentheses, meaning that when the person has a character added, it's not going to collide with any of the other characters. I would play this right now and show you that it works, but I'm solo here as you can see, so I can't really test it out to show you guys, but just trust me, it definitely works. And yeah, hope you guys like this. Hope it helps. Actually, I'm gonna pop the script here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.